In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to add your Capital One card to PayPal. Whether you're looking to make online purchases more seamless or simply want to manage your finances more efficiently, linking your card to PayPal is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and get your Capital One card set up with PayPal. First, you'll want to open PayPal and log into your account. This might seem like a simple step, but it's crucial to ensure you're accessing your secure account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is the hub for all your PayPal activities. Next, navigate over to the wallet section. This is where you'll manage all your payment methods, from credit and debit cards to bank accounts. In the wallet section, look for the option that says link a card and select it. This is your gateway to adding your Capital One card to PayPal, so make sure you click it to proceed. Now it's time to enter your Capital One credit or debit card details. PayPal will prompt you to input the card number, expiration date, and the CVV, which is the 3-digit security code typically found on the back of your card. For added convenience, PayPal might offer the option to scan your card using your phone's camera. This can save you some time and ensure accuracy, so feel free to take advantage of this feature if it's available. Once your card details are entered, you'll need to verify the card. PayPal may do this by making a small temporary charge to your card or through a bank authentication process. This step is essential for security purposes, ensuring that the card you're linking is indeed yours. Follow the prompts provided by PayPal to complete this verification process. After successfully verifying your card, make sure to save it to finalize linking it to your PayPal account. This step is crucial to ensure that your Capital One card will be available for future transactions. And there you have it. That's how you add a Capital One card to PayPal. Now you're all set to enjoy the convenience of using your Capital One card for PayPal transactions. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to explore more of our guides for additional tips and tricks. Happy shopping with PayPal.